Hi friends, welcome to Technical Tools Service. Now I am going to teach you how to service grinding machine. Today I received Hitachi PDA 100M 4-inch grinding machine for service. It is a new machine. One of the best machine of Hitachi. Unfortunately this machine is damaged. Let it be, we will start to service this machine. Friends, before going to video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, remove the brush caps slowly from the machine. Now remove the carbon from inside the brush holders. Next, remove the main screws from head. In this service channel, more than 78 videos are already uploaded. I think it will helpful for you. Okay, now remove the gear box separately. Then separate the armature. Look at this armature, little bit burned. Could you able to see? In this new machine all the spares are in good condition except this armature. So we are going to change this armature now. Make sure rubber bush seated properly. Use spanner to open the nut, then remove the pinion. Next, remove the bearing 628 and IG plate. For remove the 628 bearing, hit it on a wooden piece, usually it comes easily. I have an idea. Here I am using this pipe to remove bearing and IG plate. Put the armature inside the pipe and hit the armature slightly. Look at this, it comes as a various parts. In this armature using 628 bearing in front side and 698 bearing on back side. After removing 628 bearing and IG plate, now we remove back bearing and dust seal. Here I am using lock wrench, plier and bearing puller for removing back bearing. Remember, dust seal should not be damaged, be careful. Okay, after removing these two bearing, I am going to fix a new armature. Fix the IG plate in front of the armature. Next, fix the 628 bearing. Here I am using a small pin to fix the bearing. After this, fix the pinion and tight the nut. Now fix the dust seal in back side of the armature. After that, fix the 698 bearing. After completing the process, fix the armature inside the motor frame. Cover the gearbox and tight the all screws. Okay, now place the carbon brushes and tight the caps gently. If the carbon brushes are tight, gently rub it on file or emery paper. Don't over-tight the caps. All services are completed. Now the machine is ready for working. Look, the machine is running perfectly. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Technical Tools Service. Thank you. We will see in the next video. Bye.